Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mia. So I'm not going to explain what I'm doing. It's in the title. We can just get right to it. So my eyelids and my eyebrows are already primed, and right now I'm taking my Morphe 35G Bronze Goals palette and blending that out just to start off my transition. I'm using a Morphe M518 brush in case you were curious. Alright, so using my Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH33 brush, I'm going to go in with my James Charles palette and use those two matte blue shades as my second color in my transition. I'm basically just carving out the shape of my lid so I know where the blue will stop and start. Be sure to take your time with this. Colors like blue can easily look like a bruise on your face, like you've just gotten punched. So I recommend just taking your time and going as light as possible before making the color deeper and deeper. Alright, now using the deeper of the two matte blues that I originally used for my crease, I'm taking a Morphe M167 brush and just patting that all over my lid. I wanted this blue to be really vibrant, so I continuously just patted it over my lid so I could build up the color. So now with no additional pigment, I just picked up my Morphe M518 brush that I used for the brown as my original transition and blending everything out. And now I'm taking this black shade from the James Charles palette, and on a Vanity Planet blending brush, I'm just hitting the outer corner of my lid just to kind of give a bit of an ombre effect, I would say. I just wanted to add some more smokiness to the outer corner of my eyes. There was a bit of fallout with these deep colors, so I am going to clean up my lower lash line before moving on to the rest of my eyes. I applied my lashes off camera, but the lashes that I'm using for this look are my CoCo lashes in the style Queen Bee. Alright, now for my face makeup, I'm priming my skin using my Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I think that's what it's called. Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I pulled out my Hourglass Vanishing Stick foundation for this one. I haven't used this foundation in a while. I've been having a really hard time finding a primer to go with it, so I was hoping that my Becca primer would be right for it, and it turned out that it blended really well with the primer, so I was happy about that. And right now I'm just blending it out with my beauty blender. I'm in the shade Golden Almond, before I forget. I almost forgot to say that. For my concealer, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 370, and then I'm going to blend that out again using my beauty blender. I think what I love most about this concealer is how smooth it is and how easy it just blends right onto my skin. Sometimes you can just feel the makeup on your skin and it just feels heavy or cakey, but I've never gotten that or never had that issue with this concealer. Now I'm setting my concealer with my Fenty powder in the shade Hazelnut on a flat Vanity Planet brush, and then I'm gonna set the rest of my face using my Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation in the shade Hazelnut as well, I believe. Yeah, they're both hazelnut. Man, it is a Fenty face kind of day. I really love this brand, jeez. But anyways, for my contour, I'm using my Fenty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. I decided to contour my nose for the first time in forever. Haven't done that in a hot minute, but I was just like, you know, what the heck, why not? So I'm blending out the contour on my cheeks using an e.l.f. small stipple brush, and then I pulled out a flat contour brush from Vanity Planet as well, and I'm just blending all up and down my nose. I was really happy with how my contour looked because I'm usually really insecure about it, but it looked fine. To bronze up my skin, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Sun Stalk'r bronzer in the shade Coco Naughty on a Morphe M527 brush, and I decided to skip out on blush. There's enough color on my face with that blue, so to go right into my highlight, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter on a Morphe M510 brush. To finish up my eyes, I'm going back in with my James Charles palette, and on a Morphe M321 brush, I am smoking out. This is basically the same blue shade that I used in my transition and all over my lid. I wanted to bring that down as low as possible to kind of give it a smoked out grunge look. To add some shimmer in my inner corner, I used this really light shimmery blue from the James Charles palette and placed that in my inner corner to kind of keep with the theme of this blue look that I had going. So for the rest of my waterline, I used my L'Oreal Smoldering Eyeliner in Blackest Black, and then I did my bottom lashes off camera using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. For my lips, I'm mixing two different shades. So the lipstick I'm putting is my Maybelline Raw Chocolate lipstick, my all-time go-to lipstick. And then I just took my NYX Fortune Cookie gloss and patted that all over my lips to give it just a bit more of a glossiness to it. And then to set my face, I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And yeah, I'm obsessed. I need to like hit the club or something. I don't know. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!